In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PayPal money to an email address. Sending money on PayPal is very straightforward once you know where everything is, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. You can do this by signing into your PayPal account the way you normally would. Once you're logged in, you should land on your account's summary or main dashboard page, where you can see your recent activity and your balance. Make sure you're on the official PayPal website and that the connection is secure before you proceed. From your dashboard, look for the option labeled Send and Request. This is usually at the top of the page in the main menu. Click on Send and Request. This is where PayPal groups all the tools for sending money to friends, family, or businesses, and also for requesting money from others. On the next screen, you'll see a field where you can type in the details of the person you want to pay. In this case, type the email address of the person you're sending money to. Take a moment to double check the spelling of the email, because if it's wrong, the payment may go to the wrong account or stay unclaimed. After you've entered the email, you'll see it appear as a selectable option. Click on the option that says Send to, followed by the email you just typed. This tells PayPal exactly who you want to send the money to and moves you on to the payment details. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send. Make sure the currency is correct for the person you're paying and confirm that the amount is what you intend to send. It's a good idea to review your balance or linked funding sources beforehand so you know where the money will be coming from. You'll also see a field where you can add a note. Click into the Add a Note field and type a short description, like what the payment is for. This is optional, but very helpful for both you and the recipient when you look back at your transaction history later. Once everything looks correct, click on Send. PayPal will process the transfer and show you a confirmation screen. At this point, your money has been sent to the email address you entered, and the recipient will receive a notification from PayPal.